So what we're moving on to now is our assisted chin-up machine. So again, you have to move the handles back for this position, kneeling on the pad, so much like our assisted dips. So Matt, jump in. First of all, we're going to go for a supinated grip position, so the hands will be underneath. So again, want to be about shoulders width. Starting position will be all the way tall, chin should be just above the bar. So start at the top there. Good. So body should be forward a little bit. We want to keep it in line. We don't want the person to be leaning back too far. So from there, they're going to lower to full extension, all the way down, keeping the body in line. Shoulders should be at full stretch. Elbows should be at full stretch. From here, again, initiating the shoulders, pulling up just above the bar. So you can see that Matt just pulled a little bit too high. Control it down, up, chin just above the bar. Good, a little bit higher. Up, stopping there, good. Again, so we want to keep the body in line, all the way down, full extension, last one. Pulling up, good. Hold at the top, step off from there, bring the knees up. So when you are hopping off this machine, make sure you bring the knees up. So again, muscles, joints that we're utilising is going to be our shoulder joint doing extension, and we've got our elbow joint doing flexion. Okay, so next movement we're moving on to is, again, using our assisted chin-up. We've now changed the grip to a pull-up grip where our hands are now pronated and a little bit wider of our shoulders. So from here, person holding on, kneeling on the pad, so we'll get you to hop onto the pad, again starting just above the bar. We don't want them to move too far back. Right. We want to keep their body in line. So again, lowering down, all the way down, all the way down, initiating the movement from their shoulders, so they'll lift up from their shoulders first, keeping the elbows wide, stopping there, right, without them drifting back too far. Good squeeze through the scapula, coming together. Squeeze, good, one more. So control down, lower, full stretch, lifting up, good, stepping up. So again, we're utilising the shoulder. Like this time, because the grip is pronated, like we've got adduction of the shoulder, utilising the lats. We've got flexion of the elbow, utilising the biceps. Just a reminder that the more weight there is, the easier their exercise is. Right? The less weight, the more difficult it becomes. Last thing we're going to go over is some common errors. Right? Usually with our assisted chins, right, is the range of movement people travel through. So Matt, I'll get you to pop on. Right, going down, stopping there, and then back up again, and stopping there. So we get short range of movement, not utilising the full strength of the muscle. So remember, the area that you train through is only the area that you're going to strengthen. Right, so if you want a good muscle strength, use full range of motion. Right, pull to the top. Good. Other common areas are elbows flaring out to the side and shoulders rolling forward. Right, good. Lowering down. Right, people dropping their heads, putting the angle of the shoulder in a bad position. Good. Head up. Other one is momentum, utilising a swing back. So as he pulls up, push your body away from the bar. Good. So here you can see he travels away from the bar. Right, so it's not ideal for lats. Right, it's going to put a greater stress onto other muscles. Good. So stepping off. So that's our assisted chin. So now we've moved to a posterior view of our assisted chin up. So what we're going to do is to monitor the same things like our vertical pulling machines, all the way down to the bottom. Stopping there. They've got to initiate the movement from their shoulders. So starting the movement by bringing the shoulders back in together, squeezing the shoulders together, stopping up the top. Nice square, flat through here. 2 more reps for me. All the way down, initiating. You should see the shoulders pull down into position. 1 more. Good, stepping off at the top. Good. So this will allow us to utilise our lats properly. We're then going to demonstrate if they don't, what happens. So stepping on. Good. All the way down. Right, so instead of the shoulders initiating the movement, they start to bend their elbows first. Their shoulder scapula stay further apart. The humeral head will roll forward, meaning we put greater stress on our teres major and not utilising our bigger muscle, which would be ideal for this movement, our latissimus dorsi. So good, again, 1 more down. They start the elbows first before they initiate the shoulders. Good, stepping off. Good. So we'll alternate grip. So here we'll go to a supinated grip, underhand grip, so your chin up rotating. So hands a little bit closer. That's it. All the way down. Again, should initiate from the shoulders. Good initiation, good square. 2 more reps for me. Full extension. Good. You can see that he engages here, pausing there, he engages the scapula really, really well. So stepping up. So again, he's going to utilise his latissimus dorsi a lot better and less stress on teres major. So we're just going to demonstrate paw position. So again, all the way down. If he bends his elbows first, utilising his biceps more, you'll notice this, how far the scapula still stay apart. So a lot further apart, again not utilising this lat as effectively. Good. 2 more. Down. And the elbows first. Good. And right, stepping up. So if we want to utilise our latissimus dorsi well, we want to initiate the movement from our shoulders to improve longevity and greater strength gains on this exercise.